Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the thumbnail, we are talking about the C5 Corvette's headlight. If you're doing a bunch of updating on a C5 Corvette and it's still got the old yellow snow Thomas Edison glow glasses in it, it's time to get rid of those things. So when the guys over at AUXITO reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to demo our lighting in your video? I was like, darn skiffy, I want to demo your lighting in my next video. And what those fellas sent me is a pair of 9006s. These are going to replace our high beam headlights because frankly, again, if you had a C5 Corvette, like most of us, that low beam headlight, it's more like mood lighting. So we all drove around with the high beams. So these are going to replace the high beams. They are a major difference. And I'm going to show you before and show you after. Not only that, I'm going to show you how good these headlights sound after I rebuilt them all. All right, and just to be totally fair with this comparison, what I did was I made sure that this battery was completely charged. I charged it overnight. I'm gonna give them the best fighting chance they have, which isn't gonna be very good. So there's your low beam. Nope, I'm sorry, that's the high. That's your low. Listen to these lights though. Wait, I'm gonna do it once more. Okay, so yesterday I hooked this up to a battery charger so that the OEM lights would at least get any sort of a fighting chance in a comparison. Let's see what they look like. So that's your OEM low beam. And that's your OEM high beam. Again, the high beam's what we're focusing on. Let's swap those and see the difference. Those bulbs are now replaced. I will tell you it's going to take a little bit of grip strength because they seal really good and the mounting is solid, which I really like about it because you're not going to get any of that headlight shake on a bumpy road. I really like the mounting of those. So let's kill the lights. Let's see what they do. First up, OEM low beam. And now high beam. That's a huge difference. Wow, that's gonna give someone an X-ray. So everybody, if you like those, I will put a link to the AUXITOs below. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about these. These are 12 or 24 volt use. You can use them in either one. They're 6,500 lumen. They have a 50,000 hour lifespan, which quite frankly is probably longer than you or I even have. So your kids will enjoy them. See, you're taking care of your kids. Click the link below, update your Corvette, make it safe. We'll see you in the next video.